Hey guys, welcome back. Houston Math Prep here. In this video, we're going to take a look at the opposite change algorithm for whole number addition. Some things to note about this algorithm. 1, it may help students that like to work with numbers that end in 0 or 5. Oftentimes, we're going to be looking at taking the numbers and trying to make them multiples of 10 or 100 or 1000, depending on what we're working with. This method can really build number sense to aid with mental math. And one of the reasons it's really good for that is it tries to avoid regrouping. Regrouping done with mental math requires a lot more working memory. So this one tries to avoid that in order to make it easier to do mentally. So let's take a look at an example. Let's say we're trying to add 379 with 520. Since both of these numbers are in the 100s, we would like to get one of them to be a multiple of 100. So we say, which number is closer to a nice number, or in this case, a multiple of 100? Now I use closer there. Really what you could say is which one is easiest to get to a nice number. There's no wrong answer here, but we're going to go with 520 since it's a pretty easy choice. So to take 520 and make it look like 500, we would need to subtract 20. So for 379, we need to make the opposite change. So the opposite of subtract 20 is add 20. So if we do that to each number, 379 plus 20 becomes 399, and 520 minus 20 becomes 500. Now we've got pretty easy to add numbers, and we can see pretty quickly that is 899. All right, let's try it one more time. Just make sure we've got the process down. Here we've got 586 plus 956. Once again, here we're working with two numbers that are both in the hundreds. So we might want to get one of these values to be a multiple of 100. Now, which number is closer? Again, really here there's no right answer, but 586 is a little bit closer, so we'll think about moving that 586 to be 600. So what would we have to do to get 586 to be 600? Well, we'd be adding 14. So here we're going to need to do the opposite change to 956, or subtract 14. If we do that, 586 plus 14 gives us 600, and 956 minus 14 gives us 942. Now we've got something we can add pretty quickly and get 1,542. All right, guys, that does it for this video on the opposite change algorithm for whole number addition. Until next time, we'll catch you in another video.